You're a bit young for unexplained hot flushes. Sorry.
I know it's ridiculous. I feel like someone's watching me. Like they hate me.
Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Oh, if you can't be sensible.
Just trying to help.
Will you not? God, I feel idiotic. Look, I'm just going to go and get some fresh air. I really am sorry.
You're only forgiven if you make up for it tomorrow.
Call me.
You think I won't?
Well, after my carry-on tonight, I'm not sure.
Takes more than a woozy about bad vibrations to put me off.
So now you're left alone with nothing to do at night.
I delve into my little black book.
Blame me if you did.
Got some work I can do at the office. I'll drown my sorrows in a lot of hard work.
Oh, don't say that. It makes me feel guilty.
It's a joke. I'll talk to you tomorrow.